What up, Sumolings? Today, I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to do to launch a YouTube channel. You already know I'm Jay from AppSumo, the leading digital marketplace for entrepreneurs, and I'm gonna break down the 6 things you need to do to get going on YouTube. Let me know in the comments what kind of video content you wanna create, and if you already have a channel, don't be afraid to plug it. All right, first things first, you're gonna need equipment. If you wanna do a bare bones setup to get you uploading content by tomorrow, you can sit in front of a window and start filming on your smartphone with either a tripod or a stack of books to hold it up. To take things to the next level though, you'll wanna purchase a few things like a mic for better audio. You can go with a shotgun mic, a condenser mic that's popular among podcasters, or a lavalier mic if you plan on being further from the camera. Get even more professional with a DSLR camera, especially if you're taking the show on the road, and a ring light or box light so that your lighting doesn't have to rely on the sun. We go way more into depth about how to set up your studio over in our recent Studio Refresh video. Last but not least, you need editing software. You can check out all of our recommended Adobe Premiere alternatives in this video up here. Of course, for the ultimate setup, you need to get in on our giveaway. We're giving one lucky winner the ultimate YouTube setup, complete with a Canon PowerShot camera, tripod, ring light, Rode microphone, and access to Wisecut, an AI video editor that saves you loads of time. Plus, our YouTube crew will hop on a call with you to chat through your channel's plans, and because we just remodeled this awesome studio, we're throwing in a Lowe's gift card so you can do the same. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave a comment on our studio makeover video, letting us know what kind of videos you want to see us make. All right, the next thing you'll want to do is plan your content. First and foremost, you have to nail down your niche and stick to it. Once you have, research what other YouTubers are doing and get inspired. Next, determine your channel branding. This includes your channel name, description, and of course, a killer channel banner. Make sure you show off your personality and throw in a catchphrase or tagline that gives your audience a glimpse into what your channel's all about. All right, so you've got gear, a list of video ideas, and an empty YouTube channel. Awesome. It's time to figure out your video formula. YouTube videos are all about consistency, so you want to come up with an intro, call to action, and outro that is repeatable in all of your videos. Don't overthink it. Go with what's natural and just make sure your videos get to the point fast. Then, once you're ready to start uploading, it's time to master video descriptions, titles, and thumbnails. Titles and thumbnails are all about getting someone to stop scrolling and click on your video. For a thumbnail, keep it simple with only 2 to 3 main elements. Don't use a still frame from the video. You actually want to pose for these photos and show loads of emotion. Then add in other objects to the foreground and background to contrast the image or create intrigue. If you aren't using a person for the thumbnail, go with an image that conveys a story so that when someone sees the thumbnail, they have a good idea of what's inside. Consistency across thumbnails is important so that viewers instantly recognize when something's from your channel. As for descriptions, use keywords that will boost the likelihood you'll appear in search results. Also, keep in mind that the first 140 characters are important to catch a scroller's attention. We also add timestamps to our videos to break up the sections and add more keywords. All you have to do is write the timestamp with a colon to create the link. And the last thing you want to do is amass a following. I know, easier said than done. But there are a few ways to make headway on your subscriber goal. You can optimize videos for search and SEO, build your audience with other social media platforms, connect with viewers in your comment section, and most importantly, upload regularly. So what are you waiting for? Stop watching me and go make a video of your own. Be sure to get in on our giveaway before time runs out and double check that you're subscribed to this channel. As always, we'll see you on the next one. Titles and thumbnails, all you need to do is believe in yourself. Where's this hair? Oh, I think I got it.